In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a review on Facebook Marketplace, whether you're trying to resolve an issue with a listing or ensure your account is in good standing. Understanding how to request a review can make a significant difference. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to guide you through this. First, you'll want to log into your Facebook account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Facebook's main page. If you're not already signed in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the Facebook homepage, which is your starting point for navigating to the marketplace or any other feature on the platform. Next, take a look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see an icon that resembles a downward-facing arrow. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you need to find and click on Help and Support. This section is designed to provide assistance and guidance, so it's the perfect place to start when you need help with any aspect of Facebook, including Marketplace. After clicking Help and Support, another menu will appear, and from here, you'll want to select Report a Problem. Facebook is continually striving to improve user experience, and this option allows you to report any issues you might be experiencing. When you click on Report a Problem, you'll see an option labeled Include. It's important to click on Include because this function allows you to attach relevant screenshots or additional information that can be crucial for the support team to understand the context of your request. Once you've done that, you'll find a text box appears, and this is where you need to type the specific action you're requesting. In this case, you would type Request Review on Marketplace. Providing a clear, concise description of your issue helps the support team assess your request quickly and accurately. In the same text box, you should also include more context if needed. It could be helpful to specify exactly what part of the marketplace you're referring to, whether it's a listing issue, account problem, or anything else relevant to your request. Simply type Marketplace to make it clear that your concern is related to Facebook's Marketplace feature. Once your message is complete with all the necessary details, scroll down to submit your report by clicking on the Submit Report button. This final step sends your request to Facebook's support team, who will then review the information provided and get back to you with an update or solution. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully requested a review on Facebook Marketplace. Keep an eye on your notifications or email for responses from Facebook's support team. Remember, they deal with numerous inquiries, so it might take some time, but your request is now in the queue for review. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.